Lovely, welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. We're gonna do our healthy drinks today, which is gonna be orange, apple, and spinach, lemon, and honey. Look at this recipe. First of all, I just peeled one orange and I'm gonna put it straight inside of a smoothie blender. Just cut it up very small. One apple, cut it up very small, straight inside of a smoothie blender. And also we're gonna put one handful of spinach. Then teaspoon of honey for flavor. And a piece of ginger. Half of a lemon. Nice one. Then we're gonna use some apple juice in it for sweetness. Half glass of apple juice, alright? Then all we're gonna do is just blend this for roughly about 5 to 6 minutes, and that's it. Nice and lovely. So I just finished blend it, and now what we're gonna do is just fill up my glass with some ice and pour it in it like this. Look at that, rich and nice. So that's exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about with it. Well, it's got spinach and orange and ginger, apple, and all of these ingredients is just really good. So it's a healthy breakfast. As I can see, you can have this in the morning because this can fill you up. The fiber take a little time to digest, but it will fill you up, guys. And not every time you should be drinking fiber. Sometimes you can strain it, but this one is spinach is a little bit more thinner and it come out roughly finely. So this one is really good. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments below. As you can see, this one is from Chef Ricardo on the team. Subscribe and share the video. See you next time. Bye bye.